This fresh fruit tart is a great way to use up your favorite fruit of the season. So great for the summer. Taking full advantage of all the delicious blueberries and strawberries. Amazing experience. Blueberry picking is so fun. Really fun. Come, let's look for strawberries. I see one. Oops. There you go. Let's make a fruit tart crust. 1 whole stick of butter sliced, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2 eggs. Then, mix with 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Turn dough to a lightly floured surface and form into a ball. It should come together easily without being sticky. Wrap with plastic wrap and refrigerate for at least 1 hour. Let's make the fruit tart filling. For the pastry cream, on a medium temperature in a pot, combine 1 cup of whole milk, 1/2 cup of heavy cream, and 2 tablespoons of butter. Bring the liquid mixture to a boil. In a separate bowl, add 3 eggs, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, 1.5 tablespoons of cornstarch. Mix all together. Bring it back to the stove top and mix it for 2 minutes until it's thickened. Remove it from the heat and add 1 tablespoon of vanilla and 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix all together. Let it cool down. Then, cover it tight with plastic wrap and let it refrigerate. Moving on, to roll out of the dough, take dough out of the fridge and let it sit on the counter for a few minutes to soften slightly for easy rolling. On a lightly floured surface, roll the dough out into an 11-inch circle. Then, place gently into a 9-inch tart pan, preferably with a removable bottom. You can do this by flouring a rolling pan and rolling the dough loosely around it, then unrolling it into the pan. Brush away any excess flour on the surface. You might want to prick the bottom with the tines of a fork. This will prevent it from getting air trapped. Bake for 20 minutes at 375 degrees. Next, cut the strawberries into 1/4 inch slices. After 20 minutes, let the crust cool down. Then, add the pastry cream that we made earlier, followed by arranging slices of strawberries around the edge of the crust. For the next circle, add the blueberries, filling in any spaces. And lastly, garnish with crushed pistachios. This is optional. This classic fruit tart is so gorgeous in presentation, only surpassed in appearance by its taste. The sweet tart crust is flaky and buttery, and the pastry cream is so smooth and tasty. And then, of course, the fresh fruit just couldn't be better. Perfect for entertaining. Let's enjoy! Thank you for watching. For more cooking and simply delicious recipes, don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.